Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Oh My Janai here, Light Days in the Sun. Look at my boobs.
Oh wow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Oh My Janai here, Light Day is the name. I'm here with my good friend Taylor, and we're just gonna show you guys our beach look. Yeah, we did some lit things. So if you guys want to see this look, keep watching. Keep watching. Okay. Clock. Our glow is kind of a force right now. So I was gonna wear foundation, but then I'm just looking at myself and I'm like, I don't need it. I did my eyebrows already.
I have not touched my eyebrows yet.
I'm gonna start off with the Milani Prime Light Face Primer. Do you want to use this one? Deodorant as a primer. I actually only brought that primer because I knew that was the best primer for this place. It has the glow. You see the gloss?
I can already see it.
Oh, I gotta wash my hands before I touch my face. That'd have been bad. Taylor.
Yes.
BRB.
Got the primer going.
Follow her Instagram.
At Tay Baker.
Here's dope photos.
You'll see some Light Day on there.
Primer is going on, guys.
80 today.
If it's not touching 80, it's not hot. 50, I'm wearing a jacket.
They're gonna see my rudimentary makeup practices.
Yeah, hers, it don't make no sense, but
then once it comes together, it just it looks fine.
yeah, exactly. Now I'm gonna do the bottom lashes, and I'm gonna use Better Than Sex. It says in the name.
Trying to find our yacht friends.
Do yachty things.
Do yachty things. Yachty thotty things.
The worst is getting mascara on you, but it's all good. After I use Better Than Sex, I like to use their real, but the Better Than Sex is literally
Better Than Sex.
yeah, and then their real is insane too, bro.
Put in concealer for my eyebrows.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Different story.
I haven't even done that. I use foundation for my concealer and eyebrows because I don't like it to look too like bum.
I usually just overdo it with the eyeshadow around my eyes, so like for the most part it's like covering up the brown.
I'm like weird now, like I don't even feel the energy to put makeup on anymore. And now I'm gonna wear a highlight because the glow is real. So do I wear like Tarte? This is like, I'm really coming today. Do you want some Fenty and Tarte?
I can live that life.
She's living that life. Using this brush that Sakina you gave me, or I stole from you, but you let me have it. It's my consensus.
Did I ever tell you that, you know that guy from Hurt Bay?
Yeah.
Like one of Cam's good friends.
That's a joke.
Isn't that funny?
What is he doing now?
Hurt Bay boy?
Yeah, they did a part 2.
Probably hurting other bays.
No. You think? I got my dewy on my hat. No. My dewy on my head. Taylor nodded that people would call this their best life.
You're just living.
Oh my Janai. This is the perfect light you need to put your highlight on so you can already see it. Whoa.
This is what you should honestly do all your makeup in.
Natural light.
Yeah.
Because this is what you're always in. Natural light. Once I do that, I then get my big brush and brush it down. And then I'm getting my Milani one, and you gotta, I just put that everywhere. I put that on the chest today. How do you not put highlight on your chest? Like, I'm gonna get the Pro Tarte. I'm gonna put it on my arms. I'm gonna use. Ooh, strobe would be good on you because it's undertone and stunner. I'm gonna use fire on me and lit. Put a little on the chest area.
Some on my chest.
Not too much.
Lovely.
Pushy? Wait, I gotta do yours after.
Okay.
Just because they're different colors. Sorry.
We are sisters.
Still together.
Makeup.
You see that highlight right there? Look at this.
Whoa. That's kind of magical. Did you put it on your triceps?
Oh, have to.
You just highlighted your triceps.
I just highlighted my tricep, guys. What is life? This is my first time doing this and I'm having so much fun. Taylor's getting strobed.
Give you some food. Is that what you're doing?
No, I'm just making it glossal on you.
Glossal.
Flex.
I don't have a tricep, but
What are you talking about? It's right there. It's getting there.
I don't work out my arms, so that's why.
I know.
It's a consequence.
Woo! I'm gonna put it on my nose, my lip, top lip.
Are you done with your V-shape?
I literally think I shouldn't even touch it anymore. I kind of like that my highlight showing or no. I haven't just, no, I don't like that. That's not lighted.
So now a little bronzer. Because I'm light.
And then we'll take the dewy off too.
Oh, but I'm gonna.
Well,
the setting spray.
You're right. Set your face. Oh. Oh
Mine is
no.
dewy finish, so you probably want that.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna get the glow. I'm gonna use a smaller brush, more fluffier brush, and put it all on my eyes.
Wait, can I get a lip gloss?
I have a lip gloss bag. I got my lashes done, so I'm also gonna brush my lashes. You can see everything.
I use my pencil when you're moving.
Guys, I will definitely give my opinion between getting lashes done and wearing lashes. You're adorable. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, follow her on Insta. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. You know, I'm gonna put the glow everywhere on the triceps. Ladies, we have secrets too.
We got glows in different area codes. You heard me?
Oh, that was good. That was good. That was good. All right, bye guys. Now, you're so funny. The glotto, the glotto, the glotto, the glotto, the glotto. All right, let's go to the beach. Let's get lit.
Let's take shots!